Hi, Nancy Myers here from Walk with Nancy. We are at EHS Pilates today in San Francisco to talk about some foot products from Balanced Body. The first one I would like to introduce you to is the Toe Gizmo. There are two different colors which differentiate spring resistance. So the red is going to be lighter resistance for individual digit work, and the black is heavier resistance, which I use more for standing, footwork, posture, and alignment. So let's go over the red first. In the package, when you order the Toe Gizmo, it will show you a few of the basic exercises that you can do with the Gizmo. You can also check out Balanced Body's podcasts at Pilates.com. So the first thing I'd like to show you is just toe extension, toe flexion. So you place the leather strap around the distal part of your big toe, which would be the one furthest away, and place the foot flat on the floor. You're going to lift up so there's a little bit of resistance into the spring. Allow your big toe to rise off the floor, but keep that metatarsal, your knuckle, on the floor. And then pull down toward the floor into the resistance. So you're pulling down into the resistance, which is going to help work those toe flexors and muscles in the arch of the foot. Then to reverse that, you can place your ankle on your knee, place the leather strap again around the distal part of the big toe, pull into the resistance, and then lift the toe up, out, into extension to work on your toe extensors. Now you can also take that into dorsiflexion. So once you've extended the toe, you can then also dorsiflex the ankle to take it into a full body exercise. That is just an example of what you can do with the lighter resistance Toe Gizmo. Then the heavier resistance, the black strap Toe Gizmo, I use for alignment. For example, if you have bunions, so you have calcification of that first joint built up, or maybe the toe is heading south, you're going to place the band, and depending on where the toe is deviating, whether you place it closer toward the metatarsal base or further away, depending on what issue you have in the toe, and pull into the spring resistance slightly to allow the toe to come back into alignment and allow all of the toes to spread. This is going to help with your balance. And you can be done seated. You can do dorsiflexion, plantar flexion seated in the alignment that the Toe Gizmo is pulling you into. You can take that into standing work, going into plie and releve. You can work on external rotation, so you're pulling the spring into resistance as you go into external rotation. Again, you can do plies and releves from here. I also encourage you to use the Toe Gizmo in your mat work. So you can make a full fascial connection to the feet in your mat work by using the Gizmo. Placing the first 3 toes into the strap on each side, and draw a line from your 3rd toe all the way up to your pelvis, and we're accessing a connection to the obliques. You can do exercises there. First 2 toes, drawing a line straight up to the pelvis. We're going a little bit deeper toward that transversus abdominis, your deeper abdominals. You can do exercises here. And then the first toe, draw a line up the center. We're at pelvic floor. So just making some of those fascial connections, you can incorporate the Gizmo into your mat work to make it a more full body experience. So you can find videos again on Pilates.com with Balanced Body, you can check out my YouTube channel, Walk with Nancy, and check out the toe gizmo. Thanks for joining us today.